Hello and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Do you love rich, thick, creamy chowder, but you don't love the calories? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make corn and tomato chowder that you can enjoy with none of the guilt. That's right. Today's corn and tomato chowder recipe is virtually fat-free. It has no cream in it at all. The only fat is a little teaspoon of butter and a spritz of nonstick cooking spray. That's it. But it tastes like a full-bodied, full-fat chowder. Ooh, it's so good. Let's get started. Wash and peel 3 potatoes and cut them into large chunks. Place in a pan of cold water and add a dash of salt. Boil until tender. While the potatoes are boiling, rough chop 1 large onion. Slice up enough celery to yield 1 cup. Chop up a handful of parsley for garnish and set aside. When the potatoes become tender, drain them and then rough chop. Spray a large pot with nonstick coating spray. Then over medium heat, melt a teaspoon of butter. Add the onions and cook for 5 minutes until they become tender. Then stir in your celery and potatoes, breaking up any extra large pieces of potato. Cook and stir for 2 minutes. Add 1 bay leaf and 2 cups of vegetable broth. Bring to a boil, then cover and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the bay leaf and ladle 2 cups of the chowder into a blender. Blend on high to puree. Then return it to the pot and combine. Now stir in 2 cups of corn, plus a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, including the liquid. And finally, 1.5 cups of fat-free milk. Return the chowder to a simmer until it's heated all the way through. Then give it a quick taste test and add the desired amount of salt and pepper. Ladle into bowls and top with your chopped parsley. This is so thick and creamy. Oh my goodness. It's a little hot. I don't know if you can see. Whew, that's hot. How thick this is. All right, so let's give it a taste. It is so thick and full-bodied and rich. You won't believe there's no cream in here and just a teaspoon of butter in the whole pot. I mean, if that's not guilt-free, I don't know what is. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me because I love to hear from you. And become a subscriber because we do a lot of delicious things here at Home with Anita Rosner. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.